Guys, welcome to another pack opening. Okay, let's go. Don't know why that ripped out really bad. Let's just put that there. Right. Today we were gonna get Messi, but we haven't. We haven't got Messi, man. I'll make a hunt for Messi, guys, soon. I'll buy packs whenever I can and make a hunt for that. Alright, first we got, I don't want to say their names wrong, guys. Why do theirs never have the Champions League logo? That's really surprising. Let me fix the camera. Alright, we got... This looks like Rush, everyone. It actually looks just like Rush, the Liverpool player. John's... I don't want to say it wrong. What's that? Oh, that's good, But I can't wait for the hunt for Messi, and I will be doing it, and it will be changing the title on the videos, because I got R9, Ronaldo, and I still haven't got Messi. Jorginho, Cucurella, and here we are with a captain, I don't know how to say. Got another Chelsea player, Declan Rice again. I think this is my first one of this Declan Rice, I thought I've already seen it. Who's this? Cannavaro. So, we got everyone. We got Cannavaro over Messi. But it's okay, guys. So if I get more packs, I'll open it. And the next pack opener will be Messi. Trying to pack Messi. Bye.